Dear students, good morning. In the yesterday class, we discussed how the accident was happened to Mr. Satish while he was a little boy, and we also seen that how the conversation was going on between Mr. Satish and his friend Surendra. Okay. Then Surendra asked him why he was not came to school yesterday or that day. He replied that he was not well or he was not okay. Who was not okay here? Satish was not okay here because in a few days an accident was happened to him while he and his brother and his father went hiking to Kashmir in holidays. Okay, and then we seen that how the accident was happened to him. The accident was happened to him like this. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids while they went to Kashmir for hiking. The boys stood and looked down at the swirling water below them. Look now, the water is rushing at the spot. Satish pointed out to his brother. Just then his foot slipped and losing his balance, he fell into the rapids. So this time the accident was happened to Satish. We seen that incident in the yesterday's class. Now let us continue this lesson from the paragraph 10th paragraph onwards. We will commence this, continue this lesson now. And then finally Satish asked him to a question whether he come to school tomorrow or not. While he was asked this question to him, Satish just shook his head like this. That means he will not come to school or he will not go to school tomorrow. So he shook his head for a while. After that, a slow tear trickled down his cheek after Surendra left. While Surendra was left from his place, a slow tear trickled down from his cheek. Because he was in very miserable condition and he felt a lot of sadness regarding to his absence of school, regarding to his accident. So a slow tear trickled down his cheek after Surendra left. He felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. He felt about that like that. He felt about that this kind. So some pressing or some huge weight was pressing. Some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed as he was, because by that accident, by the several operations were made on his legs, he was always laying on the bed. So it was made him very upset and helpless. It was made him very upset and helpless. So the silence was the worst because he was always laying on the bed very silently. It was very boring to him. So he felt that the silence was the worst thing than any other in this world. Everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show. He felt that he was alonely suffering by his disease or by that accident. So he wanted to scream to break the silence, but didn't do. Just he wanted to express his bad feeling very loudly, but he didn't make that. So he wanted to scream to break the silence, but didn't. For the 8-year-old boy, his age was 8 years. Whose age was 8 years here? Satish Gujral age was 8 years. So for that little boy, this was very terrible. This was not tolerated to him or tolerated by him, because he always laying on the bed silently for his head pressing against his head and his body pain. The doctors didn't know the cause. The doctors, while the doctors made the treatment to his illness or wounds, they didn't know the cause, they didn't know the reason, except that it was caused by the medicines given to treat his legs. While they were treating to his leg, they given some medicines to that or for that. So that was the reason the medicines given to him, his legs, was the main reason for his that kind of sufferings. Due to his frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father, whose name was Avtar Narayan. Who was Avtar Narayan here? Avtar Narayan was the father of Satish. Avtar Narayan was the father of Satish. So after that, due to the frequent absence and his hearing problem, by this problem, the school he was attending till then informed to his father that they couldn't keep Satish in their school because of his frequent absence and hearing problem. They couldn't want to keep Satish in their school. So and then they replied to his father like this: we will have to look for a new school. When they suggested his father like this, Satish Narayan replied them like this: he will have to look for a new school, his father said. And that means he will be ready to look the new school for his son. When his already admitted school was told to him, they couldn't keep Satish in their school. So he replied that they will have to look for a new school. Who replied them to like this? Satish father. His name was Avtar Narayan. Satish brother name was, his brother was there. His name was Satish. Brother name was, what is that? What was that name? Okay, his brother name was Indar. Whose brother name was Indar here? Satish brother name was Indar here. So Satish shook his head saying, he replied to his father, no, he didn't want to go to a school where he couldn't talk to the other children, where everyone would make fun of his deafness. So, while he was went to another school, there the students will make fun of his deafness. Deafness means hearing problem. So, he was not want to go to the new school also, because in that school where everyone would make fun of his deafness. After that, Satish father just wanted to console him, just wanted to convince him to go to another school like this. Beta, you have to go to school and learn. Beta, if you want to achieve something in your life, you have to go to school and learn. Who replied to his son like this here? Satish father, his name was Avatar Narayan. So, he told him like this, he had to go to school and learn. And then he continued, what will he do in life if he don't education? He asked his son, what he will do in his future life if he don't get education. That means, according to his father's intention, if Satish would wanted to make achievement, he should go to school and learn education. Whether he was not get his education, he will not achieve anything in his life. So, his father told that what he would do in life if he don't get education. Satish heard snatches, that means parts of his words. Just he just looked about his father's lip shrinking, but he was not able to understood his words because he had his hearing problem. So, he just heard snatches of his words, but knew what he was saying. By his father's lip movement, Satish command to conclusion that while he was not able to understood his saying words, but he just understood his father's lip movement and he understood his father's feelings. After a lot of persuasion, that means act of convincing, after the convincing of his father, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. After the lot of persuasion of his father, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. By the lot of effort of his father, finally he was agreed to go along to new school. But this school didn't want him for the same reason. The reason he was facing is ear deafness. What was the problem he was facing during that time is here? He was facing the hearing problem or the deafness. So, while he and his father went to another school for his admission, they didn't want him for the same reason. Same reason is here. Is hearing problem, absent of frequent hearing or hearing problem. So, that another school was also rejected him for admission in their school. This is a school for normal boys. Then the administrative officer replied to Satish's father like this: that was a school for normal boys. Normal boys? Normal children. Why? And he suggested to his father why he not to take his son to the school for deaf and dumb children. So he suggested, that means another school administrative person suggested to Satish and his father like this: why they do not take his son to the school for deaf and dumb. That means he suggested to please admit his son in the school of deaf and dumb. Asked the headmaster of the school bluntly. That means no feelingly, no means here shamelessly. So that is bluntly. Just the headmaster of that another school suggested Satish's father that he should admit his son in the school of deaf and dumb. Avatar Narayan was angered. While he was heard those words of the headmaster of that school, he became angry. Who became angry? Satish's father. Why he became angry towards the headmaster? Because the headmaster suggested to him that he should or he take his son to the school of deaf and dumb. So while he was heard those words of that headmaster, Avatar Narayan became angry, or he was angered towards that headmaster. Then he replied, my son is not dumb. That means his son was not dumb. His hearing is a little bad. Just he wanted to convince to that headmaster his hearing capacity or hearing is a little bad, but he is under treatment. Who was under treatment here? Satish was under treatment according to his father Avatar Narayan, and he will be soon be fine. So he will soon be fine. According to his father, his hearing problem was not a big thing for him. So he was under treatment and he will be fine soon. He argued, but in vain. He argued to that headmaster, please admit his son to his or their school, but they were not agreed to admit his son in their school. So he just wanted to convince them, he just wanted to argue with them to admit his son in their school, but it was in vain. But it was in vain. It was in vain means it was not success. It was not success. So they did not want to admit his son in their school. Other schools had the same to say. So while they went to another schools for his son admission, they did the same thing in front of him. So in despite, father and son returned their home. So while they were made another attempts to admit his son in the another schools, all schools of that city, they were not agreed to admit his son in their schools. So, in despair, that means in desperately, they returned to their home. Though Avatar Narayan felt shattered during that situation, he felt very shattered. Shattered means here helpless. What was the thing was helpless here to Satish and Avatar Narayan was while they were made their attempt to admit his son in various schools, no one school was ready to admit his child. So during that situation, he became very shattered, or he felt very helplessness. He wouldn't give up hope, but he wouldn't give up hope after the unsuccessful expedition. Expedition means here a journey with a purpose. After the unsuccessful expedition to the schools, Satish became very moody. After a journey with a purpose to admit his school with the various school, Satish became very moody. He was not talking freely with anyone. So, he couldn't talk freely with anyone because he was unable to hear a single word. So, by that deafness, Satish did not want to speak anybody because he did not able to hearing a single word. So, he did not want to speak with anybody. His brother, during that time, his brother whose name was Indar. So, who sat with him for hours and talked to him and teaching him words and pronunciation. Here, very important 2 mark question will be arise here. How Satish brother Indar made his attempt to help his brother. They may ask this question like this. So, how he was able to, or how he made his effort to help his brother. So, by that question or to that question, you should answer this question like this. His brother Indar sat for hours with him and talked to him, teaching him words and pronunciation. Just he did not want to give him lonely. He sat with him for hours and just wanted to talk with him or talk to him and teaching him words and pronunciation. How to teach the words or how to pronounce the words. He just wanted to teach him regarding to that task. Unable to bear the taunts and teasing of the children in the neighborhood. Here, taunts means here remarks intended to hurt somebody's feelings. That is taunt. So, unable to bear the taunts and teasing of the children of the neighborhood, Satish even avoided going out to play. Occasionally, he went forward to playing with his neighbors' children. Where during that time, they made taunts and tease about his deafness and about his physical unableness. So, by that time or by that incident, he was not wanted to go out for playing with his neighbors' children. So, unable to bear the taunts and teasing of the children in the neighborhood, Satish even avoided going out to play. Satish, his father and Inder spent time with him every day, talking to him, trying to teach him things. They did not want to give their or leave their child lonely. So, Satish's father and his brother Inder, they spent time with him every day by talking to him and trying to teach him things. During that time, his father told to him, if you want to get on in life, you have to read a lot. Just here, his father wanted to pursue him. Just wanted to pursue him. Like this, if he wanted to get on in his life, if he wanted to get on in his life, he had to read a lot. That means if he wanted to achieve something in his life, he should be read. He should be go to school. So his father just wanted to convince him regarding or in this way. You can learn a great deal of things just by reading. His father told Satish, giving him an armful of books. He carried an armful of books while he gave them to his son. He told that he could learn a great deal of things just by reading, by giving him an armful of books. Satish lived, that means read carefully, thorough them, the life of Garibaldi, translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand, Sharat Chandra and several others. While Satish's father gave him armful of books, among them one particular book was there. That book was a life of Garibaldi. He was a struggler, freedom struggler of I think Italy. So that book was about the struggler of Garibaldi. So while he read that the life of Garibaldi, which was translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai. He was also the one of the most important freedom struggler of our India. So it was translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand, Sharat Chandra and several others. So he just wanted to read that book. What was that book here? The Life of Garibaldi, which was translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand and Sharat Chandra and several others. It was as if a whole world opened out for him. Satish became a voracious reader. After that, just he wanted to read more and more books. That means voracious. Voracious means here very continuous or very restless reading. Restless reading. So after that he did not want to go out for playing with his neighbors' children. He wanted to read more and more books, especially the life of Garibaldi books. The books, however, were all serious works meant for older children and sometimes even for adults. They were very suitable books or very apt books for the young children or older children, sometimes even for adults. They made him feel depressed and left a deep impression upon his sensitive mind. While he was reading more and more books, they made deep impact on his mind or on his sensitive mind. So he came to know of another word, Tarotem, a word of suffering and anguish. So by those books reading, he command to know the word of suffering and anguish. That means sadness word. Tarotem, he just wanted to look the word through the books. He brooded, that means he thought long and hard about why there was so much suffering in the world, while his own world looked comfortable in comparison. While he was read those books which were given to him by his father, he just command to know that why the world was suffering so much, while his own world looked comfortable in comparison. While he was suffering by his deafness, while he was suffering by his illness, while he was suffering by his wounds, he was very comfortable by himself than the outer world. But when he read those books, he just command to conclusion that the whole world was in suffering. Another bout of fever struck and Satish was confined to bed. After that, a very horrible fever was struck to him and he was always confined to bed. All he could do was sit and stare out of the window or read. Just after that, he always laying on the bed, or he always could do was sit and stare out of the window or read the books. These were the activities made by Satish while he was laying on the bed. He felt lonely during that time and full of despair at his flight. During that time, he felt very loneliness. So, during that time, an incident made him by change his mind. What was that incident made him by changing his mind? We look about that in the later class. Okay, na? It is second day's explanation about the lesson Colors of Silence, which is the derived lesson of the National Book Trust of India. So, in this period, we come on to know that how Satish was very horrible to look lonely on his bed or lying on his bed, and how he and his father were unable to admit in the another schools. So while he was facing the hearing problem, no one school come forward to admit him in their schools. So it is the explanation of this class. In the next class, we will study the another paragraphs of his lesson, and by those paragraphs, how Satish became the world famous artist. We come on to know about those things in the next day class. Okay, shall we stop it here? Before that, if you have any query or doubts regarding to today's class, please ask me. Otherwise, you take your homework questions. Are there any doubts? No doubts. Okay, please take your questions, homework questions. Look at the page number 143. Question number, in share your responses, question number 4. The school he was attending informed Satish father something. Can you say what it was? It is the first question for your homework. Second question, and look at the share your responses. Question number 5. Satish didn't want to go to a new school. What was the reason? It is a very important question according to your examination. And look at the another share your responses in page number 144. Question number 2. What made Avtar Narayan angry? Which was in the page number 15 and 16. And last question. Question number 4, very important question. How did Satish brother Inder try to help his brother or help him? So you take these questions for your homework questions, and you should answer you should try to answer for these questions and take these questions as your homework questions. Okay, shall we stop it here? Okay, thank you.